In the world, where is forest? Where is the grassland? Where is the desert? All this vegetation distribution resulted from weather, from climate, yeah, from general circulation. Tropical rainforest that is located in ATCZ, ATCZ region. That is abundant energy and precipitation because this air convergence to there, they rising. The desert, the desert is located in around subtropical high 30 latitude degree because the air is always sinking. Air sinking, adiabatic compression, adiabatic warming. So air is drying and drying and drying. Yeah. So so my team have calculated that 16 latitude from 1948 to now. You see the purple area from below 16 degrees C to become above 16 degrees C. Yeah, because global warming, the warmer part of the land, is extension. Yeah, so that the purple area are vulnerable. Yeah. So for hardly cell, global warming, what the consequences for the hardly cell? Several groups in the world have published their research results. Global warming causes these hardly cell larger and larger. Yeah. So this hardly cell in the north part, because it is sinking, adiabatic compression, adiabatic warming. So that is dry latitude. If hardly cell become larger, this the boundary of the north part, sinking part, will be shifted to the high latitude. However, our 16 threshold latitude is coincident with this dry zone shifting. Yeah, so that area, the purple area, is vulnerable area as it become drier and drier. So here we are talking about the two important high pressure system, Pacific High and the Bermuda High. In the for the Bermuda High, for the Pacific High in the summer, it's shifting to San Francisco area. For the California, for San Francisco, in the summer, there's no rain in June, July, August. It's a cool weather. Why? In the summer, it's dry. In the winter, it's green. Yeah, your yard, grassland is green in the winter In the summer, it's yellow. Yeah, this is typical weather. So this weather is called uh, Mediterranean climate. This energy and the water does not come together. Summer dry, winter wet. That is the opposite to monsoon. Monsoon, this water and the energy, they come together. In the summer, moist, hot air comes from ocean to the land. Humid, hot weather. In the winter, cold and dry air comes from Russia to the land. Yeah. So for the Mediterranean, different. In the summer, dry. In the winter, wet. Why? We want to understand why. Because this Pacific high is there. Pacific high, do you know there is a 500 millibar surface aloft? This high that aloft. That means this 500 millibar looks like a ridge. High pressure that ridge like a mountain. Yeah. So that air is rising on the west side and sinking on east side. Yeah, near the San Francisco, that air is sinking. Air sinking is adiabatic compression, adiabatic warming, so the air becomes drying and drying. That's the why. For the Bermuda High, you see this high pressure system is moving in clockwise. Clockwise, so they will bring this moist, hot air to Atlanta, Georgia. So, yeah, you see, Atlanta is abundant rain precipitation every month in a year. For California, you see this June, July, August, no rain. It's dry.